Okay, I'm going to walk you through very quickly how to create the MLA citation for your websites, which would be your sources 6 and 7. So I have my sample website page here, my sample note sheet page for my website source here, and I'm going to build the citation. Now, for most of you, I have a lot of information here, or some information here that you may not have. So for most of you, you're going to want to go back to the website. So go back to the website that you were at, and then you're going to want to start building your citation. Now I'm going to do it right here. You could do it on your annotated bibliography as well, or you could do it here and then copy and paste it over to your annotated bibliography. The first thing you look for is there an author? Well, there's somebody that reviewed it, but there is no author to this source. So then I go to the next element, which is the name of the web page. Not the full website, the web page. And I put it here, but some of you may have to go back and look at your website and see what its actual web page name is. In this case, it is what are the types of athlete's foot. So I'm going to take this here and I'm going to paste it there. Now, it is the title of the web page, not the full website, but the web page. So it needs to be in quotation marks. Smaller works are in quotation marks, larger works are italicized. The next element is going to be the actual website name, the overarching website name, which is WebMD. That you're going to italicize. So we have WebMD. Be sure that you are spelling it correctly, capitalizing correctly, based on how they do it on their website, whoever your source is. So, italicized, and then we put a comma. Then we look for when this article was created or last updated. And we need that information after the name of the website. So, here I have November 11th, 2020. So, and this is a little different here. The way they format, the way MLA formats dates, it is not November 11th. It is 11 November, and you can shorten it, put a period, 2020. And then you'll put a comma. So that's when the website was last updated. That's important because websites change. Now, the next thing that you put in is this website address. Now, I looked this up on MLA. I told y'all to have the HTTPS here, and that is good for these note sheets because then you can have a direct link. However, MLA actually only wants you to use from the www on. So I'm going to highlight that, copy it, and then I'm going to paste it straight down here. Should there be a live link there, the way there is here? That depends upon your professor. I personally don't mind it being a live link. You cannot break it up, however. It will break itself up if it's really long, but you cannot break it up yourself. I don't care if it's a live link or not. So then you put your period behind the website address, and then the last thing you're going to put, and I want to not be italicized here, is the date that you last accessed the site. Well, if you're looking at the site today and it hadn't changed from when you last looked at it, then you would put today's date. But like this one, you're going to put the day, 31 March, you don't abbreviate March, and then 2020 and then you put your period. Now, once you've done that, the only thing you have to do to this citation, of course, is make sure that your font is the same. Again, whether it's Times New Roman, Arial, whatever, and font size is the same, and font color is the same, and then you're going to do your hanging indent, which, remember from yesterday's class or from the last video, you'll grab the triangle, pull it over 1/2 inch, grab the rectangle, pull it back 1/2 inch, and there is your citation for this source.